I'm hungry. Little weird. Cauliflower puffs. I mean, they're not gross, but they're not like, ooh, cauliflower puffs. They'll do for now, but next time, I'm getting chips.
Hey guys, first off, I got an awesome shirt from Heather. Thanks. I'm really digging this shirt. Wow, it looks really good. Anyways, Heather wants me to try these cauliflower puffs, vegan Robs. And I've actually had a few of them, and they actually taste healthy. They look like this. And they kind of remind me of like a cheese doodle.
But they don't taste like cheese.
No, they definitely don't taste like cheese doodles. If you guys are of the vegan variety and you like health food snacks, try these out. Heather's going to be posting this on her channel, and check her out too. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff.
Yeah, and eat well. So, the back of the cauliflower puff says that you need to meditate and focus on this crunch. Feel your stress melt away as you reap the benefits of the...
Is that really what it says on the back?
Yes.
Wow.
The crucifer... What the hell's that word? Cauliflower.
These are some deep cauliflower chips.
Loaded with probiotics, many of which are lacking in the human body. They support digestion and immune health and taste incredible.
Oh.
No, they don't. Crunch consciously and crunch vegan Rob's probiotic cauliflower puffs. Join our vegan revolution. Love yourself, our planet, and all living things. Snack as clean and kind as possible.
Okay.
I'm serious. That's what it says.
I know that's what it says, and I'm still eating these things.
Because it's a crunch, it's not the taste. See, this is it, vegan Robs, and they have this poetic thing. But you know what also I've noticed in the bag is like it's green, but the cauliflower's on there, and that's kind of weird
what?
too.
I didn't even notice the cauliflower was on there.
I know, isn't that weird? Weird snacks.